What does Windows 11 do now that's new? Watch your productivity soar with Windows 11. Windows 11 is not just another operating system, it's a new era of productivity. You can use Windows 11's features to enhance your daily tasks and efficiency. You can explore new navigations and integrations with Office and Edge. Once you discover them, you'll find innovative communication features and applications tailored to your needs. You can utilize content creation tools to express your creativity. And you can do all of these things whether you're a seasoned Windows user or new to the platform. Unleashing the power of AI in Windows 11. Windows 11 brings AI to the forefront, transforming the way you interact with your computer. You can leverage AI for intelligent recommendations and voice controlled navigation. You can experience seamless collaboration with integrations that connect to your team. You can ensure that your work is efficient and innovative with cutting edge applications. All of these features are accessible, but there's a thrill in exploring new capabilities of Windows 11. And it's worth diving into if you want to elevate your computing experience to the next level. Are you ready to embrace Windows 11? Windows 11 is here and is filled with opportunities to enhance your productivity. However, you'll want to understand how to make the most of its new features and integrations. All of these innovations are based on Microsoft's commitment to user centric design and technological advancement, but you only have to explore them once to see the difference they can make. Once you embrace Windows 11, you'll discover a world of efficiency and creativity at your fingertips. There's a guide that will walk you through the process of mastering Windows 11 and all it has to offer. If you'd like to find out more about it, check out the link you see on your screen.